Most people tie a scarf one way and call it done, but a single silk scarf can transform your entire outfit with just a few different techniques. Let's unlock 5 chic styling methods that take seconds. Step 1. The classic necktie. Drape the scarf around your neck with ends hanging evenly. Cross the right end over the left, wrap around the back, and tie a simple knot at your collarbone. This works with any neckline and adds instant polish. Step 2. The head wrap turban. Fold the scarf diagonally into a triangle. Place the long edge across your forehead, wrap both ends to the back of your head, and tie securely. Tuck any loose corners under for a polished finish. Step 3. The shoulder drape. Lay the scarf flat across your shoulders with equal length on both sides. Let it hang loosely or tie a small knot at your chest for definition. Perfect over blazers or dresses for effortless elegance. Step 4. The waist belt. Fold the scarf lengthwise into a thin strip. Wrap it around your waist over a dress or tucked into pants, and tie a bow at the side or front. This cinches silhouettes and adds a pop of color. Step 5. The handbag accent. Thread the scarf through a bag handle or tie it to the handle with a simple knot. Let the ends flow freely for movement and visual interest. This elevates a basic bag instantly. Pro tip: always start with a scarf that's at least 28 inches square. Smaller sizes limit your options, and avoid over-tightening knots. Silk should always look relaxed and fluid, never stiff. Which style will you try first? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more style tips. Visit Sikho.ai.